Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
So, good morning. Haven't seen you in a while.
It's afternoon.
Is it afternoon? It's afternoon. Well, we've been packing the van and we're off on our travels. We're going to a festival. The weather's not great. Hopefully the weather will pick up. If it don't, it don't. It's one of those things, isn't it? Anyway, I'll show you him. There he is.
Has she got my best side?
Your best side. All your sides are your best side, love.
Except my backside.
Yeah, except his backside. Anyway, so yeah, we're on our way. We'll do some more recording when we get there and show you what it's all about. And here we are, ReKindle Festival. All the vans all packed up. And we'll take you through here and we'll have a look at all the stalls. I'm sure there's quite a lot of exciting stalls to see. And it's very windy today, so I do apologise if the sound isn't that great. And I've just had an Indian head massage, so look at the state of my bones. Anyway, I'll turn you around and show you some of the stalls. Look at this lovely stall. Some nice coasters, all these different designs. And some chopping boards, cheese boards. Look at that one there, that one's quite good. Some key rings, all different designs. Whiskey flasks. Oh, and he's been handy making some jewellery, necklaces, bracelets, some nice designs there. Being very talented. And there's the designer himself, looking all Moroccan. So as you can see, there's quite an array of designs. You can usually do any type of design that you want. He designs it out on his laptop and then prints it on. And one for weddings there.
Excuse me, some of it's done by hand.
Yeah, some of it's done by hand. So there we are, our little stall at ReKindle. And it's a very windy day. Look at the state of my hair. So yeah, we're at ReKindle in Wyham. Yeah, got our stall set up. Where is he? Where are you?
Hello. Salam alaikum.
Anyway, catch us later, guys.
Right this way. May the earth welcome your footsteps, may the wind sing your tale, may fire dance from your fingertips, may the ocean speed your sail. May your courage never fail you, may your words be blessed with grace, may the spirit of inspiration light your way. May you be a friend to your destiny, may you always know your name. May you learn to dance with lightning when life brings storm and rain. May you never be far from family, whether by kin, whether kin by blood or heart. May you never feel completely set apart. May you walk through life like a balance beam, and never stumble and fall. May you walk through 100 angry glares and may it not matter at all. May you never cease to teach, may you never cease to learn. May the spark of hope inside you always burn. May you walk with light through your underworld, may you never fear the dark. May you learn to love the monsters that populate your heart, and may you be healed of all your deepest wounds and wear your scars with pride. And may your soul never have to hide. May the earth welcome your footsteps, may the wind sing your tale. I want you to keep hold of this bit for me, and you keep hold of this bit, and as you slide your hands apart, you will create your infinity knot. And you can kiss your loving bride. Congratulations.
Barricaded the path I've been walking since the day I knew how. So curse you, curse your money, curse your worthless, heartless views. You stand over your investment graveyard, beautiful place I knew. Fuck you, fuck your money, your worthless, heartless dreams. You stand over your beautiful place I know. Kiss you.
There's quite a lot of nice stalls here today. It's very windy. Hello, morning. Some lovely hand-crafted stalls. And there's this strange man here. Hello, mister.
You've seen me before.
And who are you? Where do you come from?
No comments.
No comment. Where's Onward by Alistair has been? I've been grumpy.
No comments.
I've been stubborn. With all his beautiful
They know I am.
wood things and his recent jewellery makes. Bracelets, necklaces, etc.
yeah.
etc. So as I'm sure you can hear the wind flapping around everyone's tents and gazebos. So got some various stalls, hats, toys, lady there doing some wool stabbing, wool felting even, a lady here doing some henna tattoos. Red lush and artificial dreadlocks. They're beautiful. Plenty of hats and coats. Some of them haven't opened up yet because I think they're gonna pack up and go home early because the weather is not forecast great. I like the bunting over there, that's nice. Rather pretty. Got a lady there doing leather gifts. Got Huggy Tree for Gav, selling all his wares. Lady doing glitter and hair pieces. Look pretty cool. There's been loads of people walking around with all the glitter on the faces and the beards. main stage where they're all doing the boogie woogie. And in here, they're doing yoga laughter. We'll just turn you around, you can see them. There's all the gorgeous hills up there. Towards the end, there's like a seating area with the fire. And there's all the eating areas, bars. Got foot-long fries, got such donuts, Phoenix coffee, salty bowl bar, Mexican food, and pizzas. And they're all very nice. I can certainly vouch for that. And then down at the bottom of the hill, we've got more seating area. We've got another fire pit, very big fire pit. We've got another dancing tent. We've got bushcrafts across there, and we've got an area just down there where it says kids. That's all like kiddies things to do. Don't exactly know what's down there because I ain't got kids to take myself. So yeah, there was a bouncy castle as well somewhere, but yeah, I think that was quite expensive as well. But anyway, so yeah, that's ReKindle Another Level 2026. It's been pretty cool. It's been a nice chill out break, apart from the fact that it's been so windy and a bit rainy, but these things happen. It's what it is. You just crack on and get on with it. So catch you later, guys.
That's all, folks.